This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 6th of November. I'm James Spann. Hope you voted today. If not, you still got time. And don't forget, you've got time to make plans to come down to see us on Saturday. You know, we train the storm spotters once a year. And this is the day, Saturday, November 10th, this coming Saturday at the BJCC in downtown Birmingham. You know the deal. It's free. Just show up. No need to register. If you have kids that like weather, bring them. But the main thing is that we need more trained spotters. We really do. Of course, if you watch these weather videos, there's a good chance you've been trained. If you've been trained, you need to come back for retraining. In fact, this year we've got a great session on dual polarization radar products and how to use them. It's going to be a great day. We'll see you down there Saturday morning starting at 9. And after we're done, you get to go to the Alabama International Auto Show absolutely free. As expected, this election day has been a gray, cool one across the state. That's our Gadsden sky cam. Low clouds are hanging tough. Pretty much the same sky from Hamilton up in Marion County. But look at that. The sun is shining on the USS Alabama. That's our sky cam down there at the northern tip of Mobile Bay. There's a visible satellite view, and you can see how much of the state is shrouded in clouds. Again, you work your way down there toward the Gulf Coast. It's clear over South Mobile and Baldwin counties, but in most other places, the sky is cloudy. And as expected, it's a cool day. It's only 47 in Cullman at mid-afternoon, Birmingham at 52, and tomorrow's going to be a cool day as well. And the winds pick up as that big nor'easter rolls up the Atlantic seaboard. Around the nation, I'd say about temperatures where they should be for this time of the year. And again, we're about as cool as anybody else around here. All right, this is the surface analysis, and you can see that 1,008 millibar low that's east of the Carolinas. That is the beginning of our nor'easter, and that will be deepening pretty rapidly. It should be under 1,000 millibars soon, maybe by the time you watch this, and it's going to give another rough blow to the upper Atlantic coast. We got coastal flood watches up, high wind warnings up. Inevitably, there's going to be some inland snow there as well. So that's going to be a big mess. They'll have a lot of wind on the coast of New Jersey and Long Island, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Cape Cod. And, hey, look at the other direction. How about that winter storm watch for much of Montana? Yeah, it's a big snowstorm getting set to take shape up there. And if that's not enough, how about a severe weather outbreak on Day 5? This is the Day 4 through 8 outlook. Day 5 is Saturday, and this is suggesting a chance of severe weather through parts of Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, and Minnesota. And we'll have to keep an eye on that. That will be affecting Alabama Monday of next week, and that might bring some strong storms here, as you'll see. Here's the rain for the next 5 days. This is valid through Sunday morning at 6 o'clock local time, showing just a little bit, and that's the rain that's going to be passing through here tonight with the higher totals expected over the northeastern part of the state. We'll check the modeling. This is the GFS, the Global Forecast System, valid at 12 noon tomorrow at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet off the ground. You can see the deep trough over the east. You can see that strong energy off the New Jersey coast, and down below that, there is your nor'easter. The GFS at midday tomorrow has the low at 991 millibars just off the Jersey coast. It's going to be fiercely windy where they don't need it. Recovering from Sandy, Long Island, New Jersey, Connecticut. That's just not good looking. In fact, let's go to the NAM. And this is the look valid tomorrow evening at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. It's got a 981 millibar low just southeast of Long Island. That's just not good. Windy, cold, wet, inevitably some snow. In fact, that's the high-resolution NAM, the 4-kilometer NAM, showing the expected snow depth from this thing. And you can see basically snow is likely just inland from northern New Jersey on up through Maine. And maybe some heavier snow totals for parts of New Hampshire and Massachusetts. So it's just a rough ride up there. We'll take a look at the high-resolution NAM for our area. This is tonight, valid at 10 o'clock Central Time. You can see that light rain moving into the state, but by 4 a.m. tomorrow, it's pretty much gone. So really the main window for light rain tonight, I'd say from about maybe 8 or 9 o'clock until 4 or 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. Most of you will sleep through that. And the higher totals probably over the northeast. And then by the time you drive to work tomorrow, it should be gone. Tomorrow, windy, cool, clearing, highs in the 50s. Thursday, we'll start the day in the 30s, probably 35 to 39. We'll warm up to near 60, a bright sunny day. Pretty much the same deal on Friday. I think Friday morning will be in the 30s, but Friday afternoon should be warmer with upper 60s likely. And There's Saturday as we start the weekend back in the upper levels. Big old cold trough in the west. But ridging here, so our day looks great. Saturday should be mostly sunny and mild. The high right around 70. How about that for a great day for football or anything outdoors? But we note the big snowstorm, a blizzard maybe for parts of North Dakota and Montana back in that cold air. We'll go to Sunday, and again, this is a day we're up to watch, really starting Saturday night into Sunday for strong to severe storms out there across the heartland. This is suggesting on Sunday maybe stronger storms from near Tulsa back up toward Milwaukee. Along a cold front, you can see it's sharply colder behind that front. That's a 1,031 millibar high that is over Montana. And then Monday, of course, we'll have to watch for active storms here. The trough is still pretty deep, and we've seen different looks. Every run looks a little different, but certainly there's good, excellent dynamic support there. And there's the surface chart at noon Monday. It's got a big line of storms blowing through Memphis and the Mississippi Delta. And then we'll go to Monday evening at 6 o'clock. This is Monday night at midnight, and it's got the line of storms weakening coming through here. So really, again, at this point, it looks like a linear type event, a line of storms, instead of a cellular type event. That means that the main threat would be from strong winds along the line. The tornado threat would be relatively low, if this is correct, with that long forcing like that. And then we turn sharply colder. So for now, it looks like a line of strong to severe storms Monday night. And then sharply colder. There's Tuesday would be clearing, windy, and sharply cooler. Go out there a few more days. This is the 17th. Hey, look at the upper low over Jackson, Mississippi. And if that's right, that would be kind of wet and kind of stormy. And mid-month looks that way. You know how it ultimately winds out. The details, we don't know that, but it sure looks like the middle of November could be kind of active and unsettled. And on the 22nd, we are dry. And I'm trying to think, is that Thanksgiving? Yes, it is. That is Thanksgiving Day. Wow. Goodness. So if that's right, Thanksgiving would be dry and fairly comfortable, but we all know that could change. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 on the live stream or the television side, and they'll be on that live stream all night doing election return coverage. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Does your weatherman have a face for radio? ABC 3340's James Spann may be hair-challenged, but he sure is entertaining, especially when he teams up with everyone's favorite radio duo, Rick and Bubba. From the radio airwaves to the small screen, it's the Rick and Bubba TV show 5 days a week. Watch Rick and Bubba along with ABC 3340 Chief Meteorologist James Spann, Monday through Friday from 6 to 10 a.m. on the Nashville Network, provided by ABC 3340.